don't do this.
Don't resist.
Please.
It's not going to go well for you.
But why?
Just stop. We explained it to you.
She's been in the store about 7 hours or so.
Okay. Before I ask any more questions, okay? I will explain this to you. I'm not asking you to say anything.
You take the cart full of the stuff, okay? And which is you had $1,300 worth of stuff, and you push the cart past all of the places that you could have
Yeah.
paid for it.
Yes.
And then you start to leave. We have a problem.
I know. I'm really sorry. I'm ready to pay for this.
We're way past that. You committed a felony.
Listen, please don't embarrass me, ma'am.
I think your own choices are going to embarrass you. It has nothing to do with me.
I'm really sorry.
I understand that you're sorry.
I'm not from this country. I'm not going to be staying here.
Okay. How far?
Okay. Are you allowed to steal things in India?
No.
I didn't
that's
think so.
what said.
I didn't think so. You're going to be coming back to the police station with us.
Please don't do that.
That's my job.
I'm
So
really sorry.
I understand that you're sorry.
What do I go to the police station and do?
Ma'am, you're going to be criminally charged.
I don't mind paying for the merchandise.
Okay, I'm done talking to you because you just keep repeating the same things over and over again, and I keep telling you that that's not an option. We can't do that.
We have paperwork that we got to do here, and then we have paperwork that we have to do back at the station.
Don't take me to the station now, please. How will I go back?
She's been in here for a long time.
They were going to pick me up somewhere from Target.
Okay. We can call somebody once you get back there. Okay. Once we get back there, it's a lot of paperwork. All right. Sometimes it's dependent.
Are you
You know,
on
if we do our paperwork, sometimes you can leave. Okay. Once our paperwork is done, then you leave. Then you can call somebody to pick you up from the station, which is not.
I don't want anybody to pick me up from the station.
Then you can call an Uber.
First of all, not from this country. If I'm not carrying money or something, it's a different thing. I have money to pay also.
Okay. He explained that to you. I'm sorry that you're from a different country, but like you said, you're not allowed to steal in India either. Most places do not really appreciate thieves.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow us.